Gotta get some cat litter. I don't even know which one she gets. I think it's this one. It's heavy too. Jesus. Ugh. That's heavy, bro. Alright, let's head back to the house. Let's get rolling. Well, I definitely think it's time to take in the truck to Ford while I still have the warranty on it because of this 5.0 tick, and I'll show you what that sounds like. And the Flutter, which is when I drive and I decelerate, it does that flutter sound like the chains rattling down there. And then also now I feel like the engine's maybe like burning oil. Well, we know it's burning oil because I did a video on it, so we know that it is burning oil. So not good. And oof, yeah, I just don't know what they can do about it because I read the F150 forums and people say that they're just probably just gonna laugh at you, or it happens to me too, and tickets to Ford are just gonna be like, nah, it's normal. I've heard people have their engines replaced, so no idea what's gonna happen with that. You can hear that ticking? Sounds like it's a diesel, man. Definitely sounds like it's some sort of diesel with that ticking sound like that, but apparently it's normal. I don't know what they can do, if they can tune it out, or I know like the fluttering has something to do with the ECM. No idea what they can do with that. So take it to Ford. Let me show you what the fluttering sounds like. Alright, so hopefully you guys can hear that on camera, that fluttering sound, but listen to the tick. So, and then I thought I heard it was a vacuum leak. Thought I heard it one time. I'm not quite sure if there actually is a vacuum leak because I didn't hear it again. So, I mean, I'll definitely let them know at Ford so they can look at that too. 5.0 tick. The chain rattling with the flutter on deceleration, maybe a vacuum leak, and then the engine's consuming oil or burning oil. So those are definitely I mean, there's no check engine light, so like I said, I don't know why, but a lot of the 5.0s have that problem. It just doesn't sound healthy, like to have that ticking, knocking sound to it. So I'm like, whew, that was a red ant. But yeah, it's just, I don't know. I don't understand it. So we're taking that to Ford. So don't know what I'm gonna do with the truck. Don't know if they're gonna have it for like a while. I don't know if they're gonna replace the whole engine or just tell me nah, it's nothing, or tune it or something. But definitely taking it in this week because it's still under warranty. It only has 45,000 miles on it, 46,000 miles on it. So it's totally fine to take it in now because I have the warranty up until 60 for the powertrain. So the bumper to bumper warranty is gone, unfortunately, because even though it's under 3 years still. I think it's under 3 years. Maybe it just passed 3 years. I think it just passed 3 years, but it was over the mileage because when I got it, it was just under 3 years, but the mileage was over 36,000 miles. So the bumper to bumper was gone, but I still have the powertrain warranty, which is awesome because I'm not dealing with that. Those problems are a headache and they're a lot of money. So hopefully Ford can just fix it. Be kind of sick if I got a whole new motor. Doubt what's gonna happen. I think they're just gonna either tune the ECM or they're just gonna ignore it and say there's nothing wrong with it. This is what they do, or that's just how they are. So it depends on which Ford. Tell me about if you guys have this problem. I know some people say Ford won't change it, and some people say that they have to give me a whole new engine. Some people say that it just has to do with the ECM. They can actually just fix it real quick. And so tell me if you had any problems with that. But that's it for today's video, guys. It was kind of short. If you found it a little helpful, leave a like and a comment so that YouTube will share with other people. If you guys are wondering what I've done to the truck, I have a link in the description for every single thing I've done to the truck so far. And if you're wondering how you can make money online and start investing, I do have some links in the description for Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Coinbase. So other than that, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.